They've cleared all this stuff out.
Taking it. We gotta keep it for the when we move. He said you can have it. He didn't say you could borrow it. Yeah, bullshit on it. It's like, do I know you?
The car.
Oh, the Bentley's okay. Go past Belinda's place or whatever it is, that German lady in the nasty. Party ain't going on there.
Like those sandbags worked.
Back? I'll say it's near the bottom. I don't think she'll be right, like you said. Keep going. The orange one here. It's a camper. These people that I got the cage off of through. Yeah. What a shame, you could have had a cat cage in that file. Oh, there's a good AFL ball there. Nah, I'll keep driving.